entertaining knowledge. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 1,303. NASDAQ up 438, S&P's up 146. That's a gain inside the Dow Industrials of 6.2%. We have 5.9%. Give me one more second, and we might get 6% in the NASDAQ. We're at 5.99 right now in the NASDAQ. The S&Ps were at 5.68. Gold contract up $64, trading at $17.10 an ounce. Gold took out this B point, ripped it apart with volume, by the way, folks. Next leg in gold is 1704 rather. That's the ABC structure. My take is gold's going for the all-time highs right now, folks. That's a 1-to-1, the 1804 level. Silver up 82 cents, $15.32. Silver has the price going. We need volume behind this move. Notes and bonds, oil. Oil's down $2.22, trading $26.12 a barrel. We'll take a look at that oil market, see how it's pulling back. You get notes and bonds. The 10 years down 24 ticks, 138.12. The 30-year is off a full 2 points plus 2 ticks at 180.16. Now, notes and bonds, they're pulling back. They're not holding price, which is good. They're pulling back with tremendously lighter volume. So what that's saying, folks, is this. The note and bond market here, let's bring it up so you can see how this note and bond market reacted the first time that it came down off its highs. What it had done is it came off its highs with tremendously lighter volume. Then it went topside, also with even lighter volume that went downtown on. Now, what we have out here today is that you are going downtown. You don't have a lot of sellers. There's only 813,000 contracts. That being said, what has happened is this. You got inside the lower range on the 10-year. So anything inside 138.18 is in the lower range. That's saying, okay, it wants to run now to 137.01. Bottom line, and that's a big run down. We'll see how it gets there. I suspect what we're actually going to do is run all the way down to the very bottom of this consolidation is 133.21. That being said, that's also saying that we're not done going topside, because when you're pulling back and you're pulling back with tremendously lighter volume, bottom line, it's saying there's not a lot of sellers. What we do know, which is pretty cool, is that we know that the Fed's in there buying. So any type of pullback at all is saying that even with them buying, the bottom line, you're in a consolidation, you're pulling back. King dollar. King dollar has been trying to test this March 26th high all day long. Hasn't made it up there yet. The number that you're looking at there on King dollar is 101.018. We hit 100.931. Kind of just laying there. The way gold is moving, it's saying that, guess what? It looks to me like you are going to have a failure up there, but it hasn't happened yet. Now, the market itself, so picture this. We are coming into now, folks, the top of the consolidation, and this is where the sellers are lying. So this is going to get really intriguing, not at the close today, because my take is at the close today, we're going to hold price. It's going to be tomorrow morning. This is what you have. The last time that we came up here, well, first off, these are your two benchmarks. Your first benchmark is on the 26th of March. That's when the Dow Industrials hit 22,595. You had some good volume there. As we came back up into that last Tuesday, bottom line, you failed on price as well as volume. Now, what's happening out here today is that we haven't tested it yet, and you don't want this test out here today, folks, because the reason being is that what you're going to see is that the volume has contracted dramatically since this morning. If we go take a look at this SPY, what you're going to see is this. The benchmark here on the 26th, your high is 262.80, okay? We did 257,000 contracts, okay? Bottom line is that we got up there on last Tuesday with 194 million, and we failed on price and volume. We're only at 113 million today. Now, it looks to close right at that level, because right now we're basically right under that level. We hit 263.15, but this is going to be dicey, man. It's really deviant also. We need a lot more volume, not a small amount, folks, a lot more. And we'll see whether we can hold price. What ended up happening on last Tuesday is that we did not hold price coming into the close. We went from a price point of 263 down to 257. So how we close out here is going to be crucial, particularly because you're running into that area. You have a big contraction of volume, you're holding price. Now, if you hold price, the market is going to have a chance to basically get some sleep tonight, feel good, and then bust into that area tomorrow, and we'll see if, in fact, it can get the volume. Thus far, that volume's not there. Heck of a move. No two ways about that. Gold contract. Let's go over and take a look at the gold contract. What we have inside the gold contract is this. Bottom line, gold contract ripped apart its B point, has volume behind the move, has it all actually. And this is just the smaller move. Okay, so you took out the B point up here, 1698. We have done 172,000 contracts. You now only needed over 108,000. Bottom line is that this baby, you have a price projection of 1804. As I said a little bit earlier, if we take a look at this continuous contract, what you're going to see is my take here is that we're going for all-time highs here. I suspect more than likely the way this contract is actually trading, I suspect we're going to basically blow this away. So if we take this up in a monthly and take a look at it, what you're going to see is that it was June of 2019 that we actually broke the downtrend, saying that on a monthly basis it wanted to take 1920 out. Your swing points up here, we have an 1804 price projection, so there's going to be some flack at 1794, 1795. Look at this, 1804, that's weird, wild, was the swing high of November of 2011. Bottom line, it's going after it. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. We have the Dow. Dow Industrial's up 1260. NASDAQ up 431. S&P's up $140. We'll come right back.
Hi folks, Tom O'Brien here. If you'd like to get my daily newsletter, Market Insights, then now is a great time to sign up for a 30-day free trial. Every morning by 9:30, I send out my morning letter to subscribers with market commentary on a variety of markets, currencies, and commodities to keep investors up to date on the day's trading action. Included in Market Insights are specific buy and sell recommendations for stocks, ETFs, and even options, which stop